statement on behalf of Emma Caldwell's family following today's meeting with Angela Constance, the Justice Minister. Emma was 27 years old when she was murdered in 2005 by serial rapist Iain Packer. After nearly 2 decades of evading justice, Packer was finally convicted in 2024 and was found guilty of 33 charges involving 22 women, including Emma's murder and 11 counts of rape. The Caldwell family and the survivors who instruct us believe the scale of the crimes, the allegations of corruption are of such magnitude that only a public inquiry will shine a glaring spotlight into the catastrophic failures of the police and the Crown Office. The Caldwell family welcomed the meeting with the Justice Minister today, in which we discussed potential terms of reference, but family warned her that there is no trust in the Solicitor General, in the Crown Office and the police. They cannot be allowed to dictate the terms of reference and evade accountability. Police officers and Crown lawyers betrayed their duty to protect life and uphold justice, and for over a decade sabotaged the case against Packer, whilst honest police officers who said that Iain Packer was a killer had their lives destroyed. The toxic culture of misogyny and police corruption freed a killer to rape and rape again. The many women who spoke up during the trial, and those who were unable to, deserve the truth and justice also. The present Lord Advocate Dorothy Bain, KC, in March 2024, confirmed to us that just before she left Crown Office, when she was Crown Counsel back in 2008, the case was referred to her for prosecution of 4 Turkish men. Dorothy Bain, after further investigation, decided that there was no case against the Turkish men. She took the view there was insufficient evidence and went to the law officer, then Solicitor General Lord Mahone, to justify her decision. The name Iain Packer appeared in 2008 as unused material in police papers. Dorothy Bain flagged him up as a prime suspect, but he was not pursued by the police. Dorothy Bain in 2008 asked the police to reinvestigate the case, and that instruction was approved by Lord Mahone, then Solicitor General. That instruction was passed on to Strathclyde Police under the leadership of Chief Constable Sir Stephen House. The Lord Advocate believes that had her instructions been followed through by Strathclyde Police on the available evidence of 2008, that there was sufficiency for prosecuting Iain Packer for murder. Yet the case was marked as protected and closed by the police in 2009. The family were lied to, and the Crown simply buried the case. The Lord Advocate, the present Lord Advocate, has no information as to what happened after that period and why the police failed to act, and Crown Office files have simply disappeared. Today we advise the Justice Minister that there is no trust in the role of the Crown Office and the Solicitor General. The attempt by Crown Office to bring an independent police force to investigate the actions of previous officers in Scotland has still not happened. The Caldwell family and the survivors who instruct us believe that the only vehicle now for the truth to emerge is the public inquiry, which must start with no more delays. The so-called police investigation is a distraction, a cynical exercise to ensure that years will pass by and the truth will never emerge. The family made it clear to the Justice Minister today that they want no further police investigation of this matter, and that the public inquiry is a forum where the truth must emerge. Emma and the many women whose names are not known were part of our families and communities. They were important to their loved ones and friends, and they should have been important to the police, but instead they were betrayed. This is no longer about Packer. He is now irrelevant. It's now about the police and the Crown Office who betrayed Emma and so many other victims. The family and many survivors want the public inquiry chaired by Lord Scott to commence without further delay.